13.2, second one. Two cards are drawn at random without replacement from 52 playing cards. Find the probability that both cards are black. So two cards are drawn one by one without replacement. So without replacement means one after the other without replacement. So that we have to find the probability that both cards are black. So for the same type we have done. So first what we have to do, A be the event. First card drawn is black. First card drawn is black. And B be the event that second card drawn is black. So we have to find the probability that both cards drawn are black. So we have to find the probability both are black. So first card drawn is black and second card drawn is black. And so we have to find probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B. We have to find the probability that first card drawn is black and second card drawn is black. That means both are black. That is equal to probability of A into, by multiplication theorem, probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. So first we can find probability of A. What is probability of A? P of A equal to probability that first card drawn is black. So in the packet there are 52 playing cards in which 26 are black and 26 are red. So what is the probability that first card drawn, when one card is drawn from the pack of 52 cards, what is the probability that it is black? That is 26 by 52. 26 by 52. And probability of B given A. That is probability of the event B given that on the condition that A occurred. That means if the first card drawn is black, on the condition that first card drawn is black, what is the probability of B? That is probability that second card is black on the condition that first one is black. So after when first card is drawn without replacement. So how many are remaining in that 52 cards? Only 51 are remaining, in which there are only 25 black, because first card drawn is black. So only 25 are total 26 black cards are there, but one is taken out, so only 25 are remaining. So what is the probability of B? Second card is black on the condition that first one is black. So from the packet there are 26 black, 26 red. So one card is taken, that is black. So what is remaining in that? There will be only 25 black remaining, 26 red remaining. So 25 black only remaining. So from the on the second row, what is the probability that the card drawn is black? 25 by 51, total 51. So B given A on the condition that first is black, first drawn card is black. So remaining only 25 black. Therefore from that we want to get one black. So 25 divided by 51, total only 51 remaining. So that is probability of B given A. So we can multiply, we can substitute in this formula. So probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. So substitute in this formula. So we get probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A 26 by 52 into probability of B given A, that is 25 by 51. So here this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 25 by 2 into 51, 102. 25 by 152. Sorry, 102. That is the answer. Second one. Now third one. A box of oranges is inspected by examining 3 randomly selected oranges drawn without replacement. 3 oranges are drawn without replacement. If all the 3 oranges are good, then the box is approved for sale. Otherwise, it is rejected. Find the probability that a box containing 15 oranges, out of which 12 are good and 3 are bad, will be approved for sale. So we have to find the probability that the box will be approved for sale. So when the box will be approved for sale? if when 3 oranges are drawn without replacement, and if the 3 oranges are good ones, then the box will be approved for sale. So to find the probability that the box will be approved for sale, it is enough to find the probability that the 3 oranges drawn are good ones. So to find the probability that the box will be approved for sale, so probability that box will be approved for sale. So we have to find the probability that the box will be approved for sale. That will be equal to probability that the three oranges drawn are good. So to find the probability that the box will be approved for sale, it is enough to find the probability that all the 3 oranges drawn are good. And remember that the 3 oranges are drawn one by one without replacement. So 3 oranges are drawn one after the other without replacement. So we have to find the probability that all the 3 oranges drawn are good. All the 3 oranges drawn are good. For that, what we have to consider? So we have to find this probability. So that is same as if A, we consider A be the event. First orange drawn is good, and B be the event. Second orange drawn is good. Then C be the event. Third orange, good. So we have to consider the event A. First orange drawn is good. B, second orange is good. Second orange drawn. 3 oranges are drawn, one after the other without replacement. So we have to find the probability that A intersection B intersection C, that is first orange is good, and second is good, and third is good. That means all the 3 oranges should be good. Then only the box will be approved for sale. So we have to find the probability if A is the event, first orange drawn is good, and B is the event, second orange drawn is good, and C is the event, third orange drawn is good. We have to find the probability that A intersection B intersection C. So we can apply that multiplication theorem, and here in the box it is given that in a box there are 15 oranges. See, a box containing 15 oranges, out of which 12 are good and 3 are bad. That is the condition of box. In a box there are 15 oranges and 12 are good and 3 are bad. So we can find the probability of A intersection B intersection C by multiplication theorem. So we have to find probability of A intersection B intersection C. That is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A into probability of C given A intersection B, or C given AB also we can write. So we have to find these probabilities. What is probability of A? So in 15 oranges there are 12 good oranges and 3 are bad. So in 15 oranges, 12 good and 3 bad ones. Total 15 are there. So what is the probability of A? One by one we can find. Probability of A equal to, probability of A means probability that first orange drawn is good. So there are 15 oranges in which 12 are good. So what is the probability that first orange drawn is good? That is 12 divided by 15. So there are 15 oranges, 12 are good ones and 3 are bad. So what is the probability that first orange drawn is good? That is 12 by total 15. That is probability of A. What is probability of B given A? So if A happened, that means if the first orange is good, what is the probability of B? So first draw, that is good one. First draw, first one is good. So how many are remaining in that? Here only 11 good ones are remaining and 3 bad ones are there. Then second row, second. So what is the probability of getting a good one in the second row if first one is good? So if first one is good, only 11 good oranges are remaining. So what is the probability of getting a good one from this 11 good and 3 bad? That is 11 divided by total only 14 are remaining. So after drawing one good orange, there are 11 good oranges and 3 bad are remaining. So from that second row is taken. That means 11 by, so probability of getting good in the second row, that is 11 by 14. Now what is probability of C given A intersection B? That is equal to, if A and B happened, that means if first one is good and the second one is good, what is the probability of getting a third, getting good orange in the third row? That is the event C. C given A intersection B. If A and B happen, what is the probability of C? So first one is good, second one is also good. Then how many are remaining in that box? So one more is taken. So only 10 good are remaining, 3 bad are remaining. 3 bad are remaining. So after first row, only 11 good and 3 bad are there. After second row, taking good one in the second row, how many are remaining? 10 good and 3 bad. So what is the probability of getting a good one in the third row? There are only 10 good are remaining. 10 divided by 13. So now we can substitute in the formula. So we want to find the probability that the box is approved for sale. So that is probability of A intersection B intersection C equal to probability of A 12 by 15 into probability of B given A 11 by 14 into 10 by 13. So that is the required, multiply and find out the answer. That is the required probability of probability that the box will be approved for sale. So then we can write the answer. Therefore the required probability equal to this one. Simplify and write the answer.